In this short video, I'll show you how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. First, select the cell in your Google Sheets. Go to Data, navigate down till you see Data Validation. Press it, and this should pop up. Press Add Rule. Now in the Apply to Range, we will select the range of where this effect or feature will apply. So go ahead and press this, and press this tiny box. Press this again, and just highlight how much of cells you like to have this feature. So I'll just check from A2 all the way to A10. Press OK. There you go. Next, in the Criteria tab, press this to navigate down and select Is Valid Date. Press that. Press Done. Close it right here. And now whenever you double click on the cells that had been applied, this will pop up, allowing you to put whatever date you so desire, like this one right here. There we go. Now you know how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.